budget and then lovely to have you here,
was officially launched at the Food System Summit in 2 due to lockdowns. Poverty rates will rise to delivering 3 concrete objectives. This session, we will hear from countries opportunity to learn, grow, and
over and above, the government has put aside funds for subsidized fertilizer to enable the farmers to lower the cost of production and increase their yields. We have a very serious engagement with our international friends and partners because we have a budget deficit and we cannot, as a country, be in a position to single-handedly finance our requirements. We continue to engage with our international friends and partners, and President William Ruto in Paris called for a review of the financial architecture. The present financial architecture has been very disadvantageous to the African continent that faces huge challenges. Like my brother here, my neighbor from Somalia has explained. The African continent needs to be looked at differently because of the various challenges. The issue of armed conflict, the issue of terrorism, and of course, coping with the challenges of the negative effects of climate change. We have just come out of the worst drought in 40 years after 5 subsequent failed seasons. And therefore, we are calling upon the world, we are calling upon our partners all over the world to look at the issues of the African continent from a different perspective and apply a very aggressive way of putting funds aside to enable the African continent to produce enough food and have surplus for export.